So today's video, I'm making a sign. I did the lettering last night, and now I'm going to cut the sides with my bandsaw. This is a sign that I'm making for my nephew's son. So I received a phone call from my sister last week that my nephew, his son, was being rushed to the hospital. He was being flown by a helicopter because it had been determined that he had a tumor in his brain. He's 5 years old, and they flew him to Children's Hospital to assess it. It was deemed it was a brain tumor, and they had to operate almost immediately. So they've operated on it and removed 98% of the tumor, but there's several other tumors that have spread throughout his spine and top of his head. Now they've done a biopsy and waiting for the results for that. You can see that clearly. There's a Facebook group called Zanders Warriors that's for all the friends and family of him. I thought I would make a sign for him. At time of recording, I haven't taken this to the hospital yet. I will be taking it the same day that the video comes out. Here's hoping that everything goes well with the biopsy. This sign says Zanders Warriors. Change the red a bit and red up the insides. Now I'm on to this one. Now we're ready to start carving the letters. Alright, now I'm going to peel the tape off, see how it's looking. Now I'm going to take out some sandpaper and I'm going to start sanding this down. You can see that we're making a lot of progress now. I'm changing my grit up to 240 now. I'll change the grits up to 320. I think that's good. I think we're on to the next step is going to be some shellac. Test this thing out. This is such a great project if you have loved ones or anybody you want to make something for. This is so easy. All you need is a router and a piece of wood. That and some paint. Let's just start to apply some shellac now. And now I'm going to just fill in the letters with the paintbrush. This is a piece of walnut. This was made in one day. I did the stencil last night over top of it. Then when I got home from work today, I did all the cutting, I did the sanding, I did the painting, and I did the shellac within a 4-hour time span. If this is the kinds of things you're interested in doing, like, don't hold yourself back, because it's very achievable. And this is maybe the third or fourth one that I've made of these, and they're so simple and they're so pretty. Thanks for watching the video.